Why is it important to combine facial surgery with skin improvement to have the best results? Because they treat different things. When we do a facelift, neck lift, or even the periocular rejuvenation to improve the eyelid shape or the brow position, we are tailoring the tissues that have dropped over time, the muscles, the fat pad, into a position that it used to be before the aging happened. So we are tailoring and repositioning, restoring the facial shape, the neck shape, the eyelid shape. We have sometimes underlying loss of volume. That's when we add fat grafting to create, again, the highlights and the shape that we want to create to rejuvenate the face, to create beauty. But the skin also ages, and that's a different thing. Skin ages from chronic sun exposure, from pollution exposure, for inherent factors of the body and the cellular aging that happens to every one of us. So when we do the facelift and we don't treat the skin, if there are a lot of signs of sun damage and skin thinning, we are not gonna get the best result, because the skin is basically the fabric, and we are tailoring the face with this fabric that is aged as well. So that's why we add resurfacing, skincare, and protection of the skin.